In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share a YouTube video to your Instagram stories, and it's quite straightforward. This method works for both iOS and Android devices, so let's get started. First, ensure that both your Instagram and YouTube apps are up. You can check for updates on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once both apps are up to date, open the YouTube application on your device and find the video you'd like to share to Instagram. Once you've selected the video, tap on the Share option and then choose Copy Link. Now, exit the YouTube app and open Instagram. Next, create an Instagram story by either taking a photo using the Instagram camera or selecting a photo or video from your gallery. After selecting your content, tap on the sticker icon at the top and scroll down until you find the link button. Tap on it, and a page will open where you can paste the YouTube video link. Long press on the text field and select Paste. Position the link on your screen where you'd like it to appear, and once you're satisfied, share the story. When someone who follows you clicks on the link in your story, it will open the YouTube video in the YouTube app. And that's it. That's how you can easily share YouTube videos to your Instagram stories. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.